Hello and welcome. From this video, we are going to start another hot topic. Topic name is Docker Stack. What is Docker Stack? Docker Stack is multi-container orchestration tool. What is use case? How we are going to use it? We are going to discuss about all of this. So let's start. First of all, if you ask me what is Docker Stack, I will say multi-container orchestration tool. What is this? Let's understand this first. Introduction. Docker provides tools to manage and deploy multi-container environment efficiently. Whenever we are actually using any application, to deploy this application, we have multiple Docker containers according to the use case. For every application, we have front end and back end. Now we have different containers for front end, different containers for back end, but all these containers are working together and having one application. Now in this case, how we can deploy multiple containers like front end containers and back end containers together. To deploy these containers, Docker orchestration tools actually helping us. These tools simplify the orchestration of containers, ensuring that they run together as defined. They are essential for handling containerized environment with the multiple components. In Docker, there are two main tools for multi-container orchestration. One, Docker Compose, and the another one, we call it Docker Stack. So, we already completed whole series of Docker Compose, so you guys are already having idea about this. Now keep this in mind. Here we are talking about Docker Compose as a tool, and Docker Compose is using a file called docker compose.yaml. These two are different things, right? Now you guys are already aware about this, but the question over here is, we have already a Docker Compose as an orchestration tool. Why we need to use Docker Stack? You don't need to worry about this. I will explain you about it in the next video. So, in the next video, we will discuss about both Docker Compose and Docker Stack to get better understanding about Docker Stack. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.